Alarm.com video analytics provide an extra layer of security and awareness around what's going on at home. With this new feature, I can stay on top of who's coming and going at all times. I can create a virtual tripwire across my driveway so that I'm notified every time a car pulls in. No matter where I'm at, I can see what's going on from my phone. Alarm.com also makes it possible to select an area of interest around my home so that I can get alerts whenever someone enters my property at an unexpected time. I can also have my front porch and inside lights turn on so that it looks like I'm home, even when I'm not. You can also protect what's important inside your home. For example, my dog is not allowed on the furniture. He used to get away with this when I wasn't home, but now Alarm.com sends me an alert every time my dog works his way on the couch. With my camera's two-way audio, I can tell him to get down even when I'm away. Elwood!
Get down.
With Alarm.com video analytics, I'm confident that my home and family are more secure than ever.